Hello everyone, it's Efe here once again. I hope you're all doing well and I hope this video meets you well too. Today I just want to talk about discipline in your online business. Discipline in your online business. And I said I was going to shoot this video because there are some times that I don't do what I scheduled to do, and so I need to discipline myself. So I said I'll share it with my audience and we'll take it from there. So I just used the word discipline, and I got different ways we can discipline ourselves. One is dedication. D for dedication. We need to show up every time in our businesses. If you don't show up, then who will show up? We need to show up at every point in time. No procrastination, no delays, no laying around. We need to show up at every point in time. The next letter is I. We need to be intentional about our businesses. Whatever we schedule to do, you need to make sure that it is done at the time it is supposed to be done. If, for example, somebody wants to lose weight, you don't go about eating fried foods on a daily basis, or those foods, or carbs. You don't go on piling carbs. You do a lot of exercise, you cut down on your carbs, you eat more vegetables and fruits, you drink lots of water, and so on. So it's intentional. It's not what you like to do, but you have to do it because you have a goal that you want to achieve, and so you are intentional about it. The next letter is S, and that is self-restraint. Self-restraint helps you in, especially when you are dealing with clients, even though you don't see them online, but you need a lot of self-restraint. Self-restraint helps you to respect yourself and respect others too. It makes you to be responsible as well. It gives you a form of stability and structure. So you need to restrain yourself. And also, in life, they say 10% of what happens in life, or 10% is what happens to you in life, but 90% is how you respond to it. And so self-restraint is a form of discipline that helps you to respond positively and amicably, and helps you also in your business. The next letter is C. C is courage. In business, you need courage because there are a lot of obstacles that will come your way. Nelson Mandela said, courage is not the absence of fear, but it's triumph over that fear. And he said, a brave man is not somebody who is not afraid, but somebody who conquers fear. So we need courage because a lot of obstacles will come, challenges will come here and there, but you need courage to triumph over them. And courage is also a form of discipline. The next letter is I. Immediate action. You need to take immediate action. There are times, I know a lot of you watching me now, I'm sure you must have decided to go online, but you are just procrastinating and delaying. You need to take immediate action so that your goals will come to pass as soon as possible. The more you delay, the farther your goals are from you, and the farther you are from achieving your goals. So you need to take immediate action. There is a book called The Power of Now. Do things that you're supposed to do now. Let it have a sense of urgency so that you can accomplish your goals. The next thing is P, persistence. You need to be persistent in your business. A lot of times we feel discouraged when we get through things that we have planned to be able to do within, let's say, a week or 2 weeks, and a month is running out and you're not even halfway there. You tend to get discouraged. But when you are persistent about it, you tell yourself, I am not going to give up until I win. That's what Les Brown says. He said, it's not over until I win. And persistence is the antidote to quitting. Persistence gives you a never give up attitude. So you need to be persistent in your business because there are things that will come and discourage you. There are things that will make you want to give up, but you need to be persistent in your business. The next one is L. You need to be laser focused as well. In business, there are a lot of distractions here and there. In business, there are a lot of things that want to derail you. In business, there are a lot of things, especially when you are running your own online business. You're your own boss and everything. Nobody is there to tell you what to do. You are the one calling the shots and telling people what to do, and programming yourself and telling yourself this is what you're supposed to do. So if you're not laser focused, which is another trait of discipline, then it's likely that you'll be derailed most of the time. The next one is I, and integrity. That is integrity. You need to have integrity to be disciplined, or you need to be disciplined to have integrity. If you promise your client that you're going to provide a service at a particular point in time or on a particular date, you need to be able to stay committed to your commitment. That's what Les Brown says. You need to be committed to that commitment. You have to promise and you have to deliver at the time you have promised. And even if you are not able to deliver at that point in time, you can call the client or inform the client way ahead of time, maybe because of circumstances beyond your control. But integrity is a form of discipline, and that is very, very crucial in running an online business or in running any business at all. N is now. Now, you need to do it now. You need to do it now. Have a sense of urgency. If there are decisions you have to take them now, so that those inactions or your indecisions will not bring consequences that you may regret later. E is exercise. You need to exercise the mind. Tell the mind, look, this is what I'm going to do today, and we are going to accomplish this today. You need to exercise the mind. You need to let the mind know that this is what the plans for today are. And so these are the little tips that I said, well, I'm going to share with you today, because we all need to be disciplined in not only in our businesses, in life generally. We need to be disciplined. And discipline, once you are able to master your habits, your thoughts, you become disciplined, and it now becomes a way of life. It now becomes something that is easy. At the initial stage, it may not be easy, but as you go on doing it consistently and on a daily basis, it becomes easier for you. So if you are thinking of going into an online business, you are still procrastinating, or you are still thinking of how it's going to be, you are still thinking online business is a scam and all that, I am here to tell you that it's not a scam. Go ahead and go on with that online business. You need to be disciplined about it, and then go ahead. The online space is wide enough for everyone. The online space is what is going keeping people alive and well now. The traditional phase is the traditional way of doing things is fast being phased out, and so it's advisable to go into the online space, because a lot of businesses are being conducted online. Everything is going online right now, and so to be able to secure your future, you need to do something that you need to make a change. And if that change is going into an online business, then do it, and do it as soon as possible. And if you are thinking of going into an online business, or you like what you have heard, just click the link below. I will send you a set of free videos that you can watch, so that you can make up your mind if the online business is for you. The videos are just going to give you a foundation about how to run your online business, what to expect in the online business world. They are free of charge. You don't have to pay for them. Just provide your name and email address, and I'll send them straight into your inbox. All right, thank you for watching, and I hope you have gained something of value from this video. And if you're watching on YouTube, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video.